Bengade ngikhuluma lapha eGoli kule night prayer.
I was speaking in Johannesburg in the night prayer.
Ukuthi uma uSathane efuna ukuhlasela ikholwa.
When the devil wants to attack a believer,
Angeke ahlasele ibusiness lakho.
he will not go for your business,
Angeke aqale ngaloko kunye okucabangayo.
nor even go for the other things that you are thinking of.
uSathane uzo-attacka your prayer life.
The devil will attack impilo yakho yomkhuleko.
Once wa-attacka your prayer life,
As soon as he attacks impilo yakho yomkhuleko,
uSathane uyazi uqedile
the
ngawe.
devil knows he's done with you.
Once your prayer life dies,
Yaqala impilo yakho yomkhuleko yafa.
everything around you dies.
Konke okunye okungakuwe
Your
kuyafa.
passion for God dies.
Intshisakelo yakho kaNkulunkulu
Kodwa
iyafa.
kuqala ngokuthi uphelelwe ngamandla
But
emthandazweni.
it all starts with you losing power to pray.
Ngikhuluma nomuntu othi isimo siyabheda empilweni
I'm
yami.
speaking to someone who's saying things are not well in my life.
Ngiyakholwa.
I do have faith.
Kodwa uma ungathula ubheke ukuthi kwaqala nini?
But if you really observe when it all started,
Kwaqala the day uphelelwa ngamandla
it
emthandazweni.
all started ngalola suku when you lost strength to pray.
uSathane wa-attacka your prayer life.
And then the devil wahlasela impilo yakho yomkhuleko.
Waqala washona phansi kancane
And then
kancane.
you began to drop bit by bit
Emthandazweni.
in prayer.
Kwavuleka umnyango wezinto
then
ezimbi.
A door for bad things
Kwaqala
opened up.
kwabheda empilweni
And
yakho.
things went south in your life.
Kwabheda kuma-finances wakho.
And things went south in your finances.
Kwabheda kwibhizinisi lakho.
And things went south in your
Kwabheda
business.
ekhaya lakho.
And things went south in your
Ubathe
household.
uyabuza kwenze njani?
You have been inquiring what happened.
Bekakusaba uSathane bekangeke asondele kuwe
The devil
mawuthandaza.
was fearful of you when you were
Kodwa
prayerful.
wa-attacka your prayer
But
life.
he attacked impilo yakho
It is
yokhuleko.
my prayer namhlanje
Umkhuleko wami
ukuthi
today.
uNkulunkulu aka-restore your prayer
That
life.
may God abuyisele impilo
Uma
yakho
uNkulunkulu
yokuthandaza.
restore your prayer life,
Because when God restores impilo
ubuyela
yakho yokuthandaza,
kwiposition yakho.
you are returned back to
Ubuyela
isimo sakho.
kwiposition
You are
ye-authority.
returned back to indawo yakho
Ubuyela
yegunya.
kwiposition
You are
yamandla.
returned back to indawo of
Ubuyela
power. You
kwipresence
are returned
kaNkulunkulu.
back to ubukhona of
Izinto
God.
ziyoqala zenzeke
And things
empilweni
will then
yakho.
begin to happen in your
Maka
life.
restore your
May
prayer
God
life.
restore impilo yakho
In the mighty
yokuthandaza.
name of Jesus
Egameni
Christ.
elinamandla likaJesu Kristu.
Umangale ukuthi bewuthandaza,
And you'd be shocked that you were
bewuvuka
prayerful.
nasebusuku uthandaza,
You would even rise at night to pray.
ubone izinto zenzeka.
And things were happening before you.
Kodwa waqala waphelelwa ngamandla,
But as soon as you lost strength
waba nezizathunyana.
and had multiple reasons,
Kanti iplan kaSathane
and whereas it was the plan of
ukuthi
the
wena
enemy,
ngifuna ukuqeda ngawe,
that I want to finish off with
kodwa
you.
into ekwenza ukuthi uhlale ustrong
But what's keeping you strong?
is your prayer life.
Impilo yakho yomkhuleko.
So into yokuqala uSathane ayi-attackayo
So the
njengekholwa
first thing that the devil attacks to a
is your
believer,
prayer life.
impilo yakho yomthandazo.
Ngimile namhlanje njengomuntu
I
kaNkulunkulu.
stand before you today as a man of God.
Ngiyakubuyisela kwiposition
I
yakho yokukhuleka.
restore you back to your position of prayer.
uNkulunkulu akakunike igrace yokuthandaza.
May God grant you umusa to pray.
Akusilula futhi akusimnandi
It's
ukuthandaza.
not easy nor is it nice to pray.
Inyama yakho iyabhoreka
Your
emthandazweni.
flesh gets bored in prayer.
Ingqondo yakho iyabhoreka
Your
emthandazweni.
mind gets bored in prayer.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu akaphinda akunike that
But may
grace.
God grant you lowo musa futhi.
And ungacabanga ukuthi uma ubuyela kuleyo position
And you mustn't think that when you go back to that position,
izinto ziyoqala kwenzeka same time.
things will instantly go
Because
back to
abanye
normal.
kungenzeka una 3 years.
For some of us, perhaps it's been 3
Your prayer
years,
life ayisafani ishone
and impilo
phansi.
yakho has discerned.
Seyinkulu idamage uNkulunkulu ayikhosile kwifamily yakho empilweni yakho.
There is a lot of umonakalo that the devil
Njengoba
has caused in your
uzobuyela
life.
nje
And as you return back,
lo mthandazo uzoqala ulungise leza zinto
the
ezonakele.
prayer will begin to put the messed up things back in
Yeza
place.
kancane kancane, don't worry.
Bit by
Yes.
bit, it's coming. Ungakhathazeki.
Ungagive up.
Ungaphelelwa amandla.
Zizolunga izinto empilweni yakho.
Things will come right in your life.
Kodwa buyela emthandazweni.
But go back to prayer.
uNkulunkulu maka restore your prayer
And may
life.
the Lord restore impilo yakho
Izinto
yomthandazo.
ziyoqala zishintshe empilweni
And
yakho.
may things change
In the
your life.
mighty name of Jesus.
Egameni elinamandla likaJesu.